Halloween is just around the corner, and you're excited to create invitations, but maybe you're not quite ready to don those costumes yet. In this lightning guide video, we're going to show you on how to use Google's Gemini to virtually dress up in costumes using AI. Okay, here we go. Picture this. You have a lovely family photo as your starting point, and you've uploaded it into Google Gemini. If you don't know, it's Google's equivalent to ChatGPT, and you'll have free access with your Gmail account. Now imagine using a simple prompt like this. Transform this family photo into a Halloween-themed scene inside a haunted house. Keep the people's faces and features recognizable, with only light, believable makeup edits that enhance their costumes while preserving their likeness.
Oh my gosh!
With this prompt, you can create stunning images where everyone, including the kids and family, appears in costumes with makeup. The entire backdrop is transformed into a spooky haunted house setting, which is perfect for adding to your Canva invitation to a Halloween party, just like we've demonstrated here. And here's a little tip for you. If you haven't heard, we are CreatEcards. We specialize in turning your Canva invites into interactive online invitations, allowing you to send them out and collect RSVPs seamlessly. To get started, simply locate the CreatEcards app within Canva by clicking on the app's icon and searching for CreatEcards. You can then sync your design and follow the workflow to craft an impressive online invitation page. This way, you can effortlessly send invites to your guests and manage RSVPs efficiently. So, start trying on your Halloween costumes now. Just search Gemini to get started.